of derivatives. That is concave function, convex function, and a point of inflection. First, I am starting concave function. It is also called concave upwards function. Concave function, a concave upwards function. Concave function means the cavity is upwards. It is like this, an half curve or completely like this. This function, if any function graph exists like this, then the function is said to be concave or concave upwards function. Okay, mathematically, how to check whether the function is concave or not? Means simply we have to identify f double dash of x. If f double dash of x greater than 0, then the function is said to be concave upwards function. What is the meaning of f double dash of x? Mean f dash of x whole derivative is greater than 0. F dash of x is nothing but slope, gradient of the given curve. Now, dm divided by dx is greater than 0. That means slope of the curve increases. Then the function is said to be concave upwards or concave function. So, for any function, if f double dash of x greater than 0, then the function is said to be concave function or concave upwards function. Observe this graph. For this one, if you are taken, I am taking 3 points at different places on the curve. First, it is real axis. Observe this, like this. Okay, as x values are increasing, slopes are also increasing. F value, x value at this point, this is inclination. At this point, this is inclination. At this point, this is inclination. Okay, as points are approaching towards right side, its derivatives, okay, tangents like this. Okay, as inclinations are increasing, slopes are also increasing. So dm by dx greater than 0, then the function is said to be concave function or concave upwards function. Okay, next. Convex function. Concave downwards function. Concave downwards. This is the shape of or graph of convex function, completely like this or half shape. Okay, how to identify mathematically? Mean for any curve f of x, f double dash of x less than 0, that is nothing but gradient or slope of the curve decreases. That is dm divided by dx less than 0, then the function is said to be convex function. Okay, now here also take 3 points and draw tangents at the 3 points. Okay, so as x is increasing, derivatives nothing but tangent slopes are decreases. So dm by dx less than 0 we will get, then the function is said to be convex function. So this is also called concave downward. Like this, if you got concave upwards. Okay, now another point of inflection. Point of inflection. What is the point of inflection? Observe this. I am drawing some curve f of x. This is the rough graph of a function f of x. From a to I. From a to I. This is convex. Nothing but concave downwards. From I to B, this is concave nothing but concave upwards. From A to I it is downwards, from I to B it is upwards. At the point I, the curve is changing its nature. The curve is changing its concavity. So this point is said to be point of inflection. Already we discussed convex means f double dash of x is less than 0. Concave means f double dash of x greater than 0. So for the point of inflection, f double dash of x is equal to 0. So for any function, if you find f double dash of x and equate to 0, then we will get some x values. Then at x we have point of inflection. Okay, but the converse is not true. We have to check clearly. If it is concave, convex to concave, no problem. Okay, then it is point of inflection. Reverse. If without changing the concavity, if we find f double dash of x equal to 0, we equate f double dash of x equal to 0. At that point x, we can't say is whether it is point of inflection or not. Okay. Now, what is the correct definition of f double dash of x equal to 0 mean? F of x is a continuous and differentiable function. Let fx equal to, fx is a continuous and differentiable function, and f double dash of some x naught is equal to 0. F double dash of x naught equal to 0 or does not exist. Either f double dash of x naught, at x naught f double dash is either 0 or does not exist whenever f dash of x is exists. Means f dash of exist हो गया तो ही हम f double dash तक जाएंगे. fx is a continuous function. f dash of x exist होगा, x naught पुट किया वो भी exist होगा, सेकंड डेरिवेटिव हो गया. f double dash में x naught पुट किया वो either 0 होना चाहिए या does not exist होना चाहिए. फिर भी and the curve has to change its sign while it crossing x naught. Means f double dash of x equal to 0 हो गया तो ही point of inflection नहीं किया. x naught के पास आपने कर्व का नेचर देखना है. f naught x naught के आगे कर्व में पुट किया. एग्जाम्पल f double dash of 1 equal to 0 आ गया. x equal to 1 के पास f double dash of x equal to 0 आ गया. 1 के आगे आप देखना है. 1 के आगे मीन्स 1 का लेफ्ट नेबर में, 1 का लेफ्ट नेबर में फंक्शन का वैल्यू अगर नेगेटिव आ गया तो 1 प्लस मीन्स 1 का राइट नेबर में फंक्शन का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. अगर 1 का लेफ्ट नेबर में पॉजिटिव है तो 1 का राइट नेबर में नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. मीन्स x नॉट को क्रॉस करने के टाइम में इसका साइन चेंज करना चाहिए. वैसा चेंज हो गया तो x इक्वल टू x नॉट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन. x equal to x naught is called point of inflection. For this one, observe this simple example. I am taking f of x equal to x cube. F of x equal to x cube. It is a simple graph. This is the rough graph of f of x equal to x cube. Now, observe the nature. Okay, minus infinity से start करके 0 तक a concave downwards है, nothing but concave convex function. 0 to infinity it is concave, means concave upwards function. The function changes its concavity at x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the point of inflection from graph. And theoretically, now mathematically, we have f of x equal to x cube. Clearly it is a continuous and a differentiable function. So we will find its derivative. F dash of x is equal to 3x square. It will exist for any value of x. For any value of x, it exists. Okay, now I am finding f double dash of x, that is equal to 6x. I am equating to 0. So indirectly, f double dash of 0 equal to 0. Now we will check f dash of 0 equal to 0. That is also exists. So f of x is a continuous and differentiable function. F dash of x existed at x equal to 0, and f double dash of x is also existed. We equated to 0, we got 0. Now at 0 we will check 0 के आगे मीन्स 0 का लेफ्ट नेबर में, 0 का लेफ्ट नेबर में कोई भी वैल्यू दिया तो फंक्शन का वैल्यू आपको नेगेटिव मिलेगा. तो ग्राफ देख लो, 0 के आगे बिलो एक्स एक्सिस है तो फंक्शन का वैल्यू नेगेटिव आएगा. 0 प्लस मीन 0 का राइट नेबर में आप देखा तो फंक्शन का वैल्यू ऊपर आ गया तो ये पॉजिटिव आ गया. ठीक है, तो नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव 0 के पास चेंज हो रही है. तो x इक्वल टू 0 इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन ऑफ द कर्व f ऑफ x इक्वल टू x क्यूब. ओके, सो कंटिन्यूस होना है, डिफरेंशिएबल होना है. फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट हो गया तो सेकंड डेरिवेटिव जाना है. सेकंड डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट होके होने से इक्वल हो जाए, इक्वल करना, इक्वल टू 0 करना है. अगर डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके, तो f डबल डैश ऑफ x इक्वल एग्जिस्ट हो गया, इसलिए इक्वल टू 0 किया तो इक्वल टू 0 x इक्वल टू 0 आ गया. तो 0 के लेफ्ट नेबर राइट नेबर वैल्यूज आइडेंटिफाई किया. लेफ्ट नेबर में नेगेटिव आया, राइट नेबर में पॉजिटिव. तो 0 के पास साइन चेंज हो गया तो x इक्वल टू 0 इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन. यहाँ पे f of x equal to x cube is a continuous and differentiable function. For some functions, they may continuous, but they may not differentiable. अगर differentiable है तो ही फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव सेकंड डेरिवेटिव हम कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई कुछ फंक्शन differentiable नहीं है तो तब हमारा रास्ता ये क्या है, कॉन्केविटी चेक करना. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व दिस ग्राफ, सम रफ ग्राफ. I am drawing like this. It is a concave upwards, concave function. Now another function means another part, not another function. This is first part, this is second part of the function. So clearly observe karo, at x equal to c we have a sharp corner. At this sharp corner, since the function has sharp corner at x equal to c, it is not differentiable. Clearly this function is continuous, but it is not differentiable at x equal to c. So if it is not differentiable, we can't find its first and second derivative. In that case, check the concavity. First of all, from here to up to here to x equal to c, here to यहाँ से, from here up to x equal to c, the function is concave upwards. After c, the function is concave downward. At c, the function changes its concavity. The function changes its concavity. So x equal to c is called point of inflection. Okay? Point of inflection का definition. Now, one more simple example. f of x equal to sin x. I am taking interval x equal to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, first we will identify using graph 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, sin 0, 0, sin 91, sin 180, 0, 270 minus 1, 2 pi 0. This is the graph of f of x equal to sin x. Now, from 0 to pi, the function is convex, concave downwards, and from pi to 2 pi, the function is concave, means concave upwards. The function changes its concavity at x equal to pi. Then x equal to pi is called point of inflection. This is according to graph. And mathematically, sin x is clearly a continuous and differentiable function. So using derivative concept, I am finding f of x is sin x. So f dash of x is equal to cos x. Clearly it will be existed for all values of x. So we will go to second derivative, f double dash of x equal to minus sin x. It is also existing, so equal to 0. F minus sin x equal to 0 means sin x is equal to 0. Sin x equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 by 2 pi, like that. If you want general solution, sin x equal to 0, x equal to n pi. But I want 0 to 2 pi. 0 and 2 pi extend points है. पाई के पास ये कॉन्केविटी चेंज कर रही है, तो पाई को टिक करूँगा. सो फ्रॉम theoretically and that means graphically and using definition also, f of x for f of x equal to sin x, point of inflection is x is equal to pi. Okay, thank you.